And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you this magazine cover effect. It's a 3-step process. First up, you want to find a good position, let's say right here. You can do that in 2 ways. You can use the split tool and cut it here. And in my case that would work, so I could keep the video because the model holds the camera and doesn't move that much. So then you would have a moving magazine cover effect. But for all videos, even if there's a lot of movement, you can delete this part and use the freeze frame. So let me show you how that is done. I'll select the clip on the left hand side and then you have this freeze option right here. Just freeze it at the right moment, in my case where she holds the camera in front of her eye. And then I delete the excess parts right here. I want to copy paste the freeze, so Ctrl C, Ctrl V. And for the top one, I go to cutout and use auto cutout. If I make the one below invisible, you can see this says cut out our model. Second step is to add the black and white effects. We can do that under filters, mono. You can drag and drop them individually on these 2 clips and adjust that individually if you want to have a different intensity for the black and white effect. For model and background, you will find it under Video Basic Filters. But you could also place it on top of all of what we are creating here. I'm going to show that later on. Third step is to add the text effect. To do that, we'll go to text, use the default text, and then place it in between both video clips. So I'll freeze frame and the cutout above. Let me change that to maybe like Vogue magazine. And when it comes to Vogue, let me size that up. They usually use a serif font, so let me try to search for one. You know what, let me just type in Baskerville. I know what that looks like. And that should work. You may have to reposition that, scale that a little bit. And when you have problems selecting it in the frame to reposition it, so in this case the text, you can also do that under Video Basic for this element. When you scroll down, there should be a position option, then use the Y position and the arrow keys up and down to reposition it. And finally, as I've said, you could have also given this entire effect a black and white filter, but in this case it would also affect the text. So if you want to, for example, use a yellow text effect, you can't put that on top, you have to place it individually on the freeze frame and the cutout. But this is how you can create this magazine effect in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.